Did you know otters do this one thing that's basically relationship goals? When sea otters sleep, they float on their backs in the water. And to keep from drifting apart, they hold hands. No joke. It's called a raft when a group of otters floats together, sometimes dozens of them all hand in hand. They even wrap themselves in kelp like a blanket to stay in place. Otters hold hands while they nap, so don't be afraid to cling to your favorite person too. Tag your cuddle buddy. And if you love cute animal facts like this, follow me for a daily dose of heart-melting animal stories. Trust me, you do not want to miss the next one.